Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. So today we are diving into a bit of a hidden medical mystery. We're talking about that unexplained jaw, head, and neck pain that, honestly, so many people just live with. Millions of folks are actually suffering from something called TMJ disorder right under the radar. Let's find out why.
Okay, let's just get right into it. Do you feel pain while chewing, or maybe even just speaking? Think about this for a second. The average person opens and closes their jaw up to 2,000 times a day. 2,000! Now imagine if every single one of those movements came with a sharp, persistent ache. It's totally exhausting, right? And the crazy thing is, so many people suffer in total silence. They think, oh, I probably just slept on it wrong, or it'll just fade away on its own. But listen, if you're answering yes to that question, you need to know that your pain is real, it is significant, and you're absolutely not alone here.
All right, let's connect the dots on some of the actual signs of TMJ disorder. Structurally, you might notice something called jaw deviation. That's basically when your mouth visibly shifts sideways when you move it. Or maybe you've got disc displacement. Sounds intense, but that's really just when the little cartilage cushion inside your jaw joint slips out of place. But here is the real kicker. Look at the connection to frequent headaches, earaches, and neck pain. I mean, how often do we just pop an aspirin for a headache or run to the doctor for an earache, completely unaware that these scattered, everyday pains are actually directly linked to a severe issue in the jaw joint itself? It's like a giant puzzle where we're just treating the symptoms instead of the actual root cause.
So what does this all mean? The crucial takeaway here is that TMJ disorder is a jaw joint condition that is so often ignored, but it seriously affects your daily life. And it's actually astonishing how easily we brush these signs off. Society kind of conditions us to just push through the minor aches, right? We write off a headache as just a stressful day at work or an earache as a passing cold. But when that incredibly intricate joint that controls your mouth's movement is compromised, well, that's not just a minor inconvenience. It is a fundamental disruption to how you live, interact, and function every single day. And ignoring it, yeah, that doesn't make it magically disappear. It usually just lets the underlying condition get worse.
Because when even simple things become difficult, the absolute most basic actions of human life turn into a tremendous struggle. Just think about what we actually use our mouths for on a daily basis. Eating your favorite food, laughing at a friend's joke, giving a big yawn when you're tired, singing along to the radio in your car. When a jaw condition goes untreated, those really simple, joyful moments get completely hijacked. You're suddenly anticipating the pain, or you literally just can't open your mouth properly. It just robs you of the very simple things that make up a normal, happy day. But here is the good news. You do not have to live with this. When you're dealing with a system as incredibly complex and interconnected as the jaw, you absolutely have to get the right diagnosis and advanced treatment. And this is exactly where the expert care at Vraj group of dental clinics steps in. For patients who've been bouncing around with mysterious headaches and jaw pains, this is where you can finally get a definitive diagnosis from a true specialist. Honestly, just getting the right pair of eyes on this specific problem is half the battle.
And this brilliantly illustrates what it takes to win that battle. What does 18 represent here? It represents the 18+ years of highly specialized experience that is required to confidently and effectively manage these complex jaw conditions. TMJ disorder isn't just a simple cavity. It's not a routine cleaning. It really requires a practitioner who has seen every single variation, every weird symptom presentation, and every structural anomaly over decades of practice. When we're talking about the intricate mechanics of your jaw, neck, and head, 18 years of dedicated medical experience is exactly the level of authority you want in your corner.
And bringing that exact level of experience is Dr. Deepak Kakal. Beyond his MDS qualification, he actually served as a senior resident at Ames Delhi. For those who know, that institution represents the absolute pinnacle of medical rigor and training. So you pair that elite foundational background with over 18 years of hands-on practice, and you have established definitive, unshakable medical authority. This is literally the exact profile of someone you can trust to map out your TMJ symptoms and construct a clear, effective path to recovery.
Because relief really does start here. After years of mysterious neck pain, chronic headaches, and struggling to just chew or speak normally, just knowing there is a path forward is incredibly powerful. I really want to reassure you guys, a happy, pain-free outcome is entirely possible. When you place yourself under actual expert care, the narrative of your daily life gets to change. You don't have to just accept a life where the simple things are difficult. The journey out of pain and back to normalcy actually has a starting line, and, well, this is it.
Choose experience, choose precision, choose VGD. I mean, that captures exactly what it takes to treat TMJ disorder. You need the experience to recognize those hidden signs, and you need the precision to treat the joint accurately without any of the guesswork. By choosing the Vraj group of dental clinics, you are actively choosing a definitive, expert solution instead of just enduring another day of hoping the pain magically goes away.
So please, don't ignore the pain. It is time to book your consultation today with the Vraj Group of Dental Clinics at 6354-734-441. Seriously, jot that down right now, or just save it in your phone, because I want to leave you with this one final thought based on everything we've unpacked today. If the solution to your daily pain is literally just a phone call away, why wait even one more day to reclaim your life? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay curious, take care of yourselves, and I will catch you on the next one.